Real airport life can include making friends at the airport bar, but what happens when other airport passengers do not wish to engage with you at the airport? On December 16, 2025, the Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport Police Department encountered that man at the airport.
He's currently right there at the bakery. He paid for his beer and he left, but he was just being really ignorant and very loud.
Okay.
He's like screaming, but not like screaming, he was yelling for the restaurant. He's walking fine, he seems to be walking fine. He might just be like a weird dude.
Is that him now?
Yeah. He was recording one of our bartenders. It could have just been coincidental. He was recording out the window, and then he happened to turn around, and his window, maybe his phone was still recording. And the bartender did ask to, hey, you know, record me, and he kind of got a little tiffy, but like just my manager, you know, told him like, hey man, why not screaming into the restaurant? He was very disrupting people, so.
Please 9116 arriving.
Yeah, the guy that's right there. Right there. Yeah, him.
That guy right there.
That's him.
Oh, that guy that was yapping to us?
Yes.
Yeah.
He could just be the yapper. I don't know, but he was being very disruptive.
He's mouthy.
He's very mouthy. Very.
I don't. Yeah,
That
that's
is
the guy.
definitely the guy.
I wonder
Yeah,
if
he had one
in
in our restaurant. We told him no more. He paid for the one and he drank it and left. But we did have to tell him a few times to stop. So nothing that we want to do. We just want to keep you guys aware and maybe watch him or something.
So no crime occurred, nothing like that?
Nope,
Okay.
nothing. So yeah, we're good. Thank you. Appreciate
You're
it,
welcome.
guys.
So he was he?
Said enough boisterous. He's got a smile on his face with us.
Yeah, he's flying out. What'd he say?
A smile on her face.
Can we talk to you for a sec?
Only if you're smiling and you get them tattoos off you.
I don't know about smiling. I don't normally
You don't know
smile.
about smiling?
I don't smile a lot. What was going on down there?
What do you mean?
They said that you were, they asked you to
I'm
stop
taking
filming.
a chunk of Sarasota and I'm bringing it to Chicago.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
So what was the issue down there, though?
Sharing a smile.
Okay.
And it's not an issue unless you get the newspaper.
Okay. Well, they were saying that they asked you, you were recording, they asked you to quit recording them. You got a little
Of
mouthy.
course. It's a public building.
Well, I understand that, but you were filming a person in particular, and you're in a restaurant, and they're asking you to quit, and then you got a little mouthy.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. What was the point of that?
Yes.
What was the point of that?
Smiling.
You got your ID on you?
I sure do. Yeah, I'm getting a shakedown for a smile. Yeah.
Is that his?
See? Nobody? Yeah, you know.
Oh.
There you go.
How much you had to drink, John?
Not much.
Not much.
I'll be quiet on the plane. I got earbuds. Now listen how your job's going to be taken away. Because it's a task.
Just so you know, if you act up on the plane or act up before
I
you
won't.
get, just listen to me before you respond. If you act up on the plane or act up before you get on the plane, they're not going to let you fly. Okay? Because you have had something to drink. Make sure you're good. Make sure you don't have any warrants.
I do in Georgia. For fishing without a license.
And as long as they're not going to ask you,
Yeah.
you're good.
It's been 20-something years.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like I
Cutting
said,
cigarettes, all of it.
Don't act stupid on the plane.
All of it.
They will kick you off.
It's $20 something for a pack of cigarettes. I ain't paying that.
Can I ask you a question? Okay. Is it going to be any issues that we need to like?
What do you think?
It looks like there's going to be. So.
That's what I would, 30,000 feet up?
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll just let this
Your
run
call.
now.
Your call, not mine. But
Not my call either, thank God. But I'll let the supervisor know. Just wanted to make sure. Thank you.
you're welcome.
What? Why? Why smile? Well, I will. Thank you, kindly. Let me know when you're ready. If I stand still, my back hurts.
He was talking about his back hurting if he stands still too long. So
He's giving me shit about stretching my back. So
I'm
they're
just
not
running
gonna
them. No, they well,
Sure,
probably
he
not.
came over and he was like, is he drunk? I was like, oh yeah. Is he one of I said, your call, but yeah, he's being himself. He's like, it's up to you what you want to do. 30,000 feet. He's like, it's up to you what you want to do. 30,000 feet.
I told him he claims that he's got headphones. He's going to chill out and relax.
Well, I'll get with the supervisor over there and find out if they're going to allow this guy to fly or not. Because we'll stay up here until, we'll just let him know and then we'll go from there.
Is it the one? Is that the one you spoke about?
I think she's, no, the other one was shit.
Is she down on Jet Bridge?
Yeah, she's a little one walking around with an iPad.
Is that the manager?
Hi.
This guy was caused a little bit of an issue in the restaurant. Okay. They said it wasn't too bad. They don't want to trespass him. A little bit of an issue in the restaurant. Okay. They said it wasn't too bad. They don't want to trespass him, but they said that he only had one drink there. But you can tell he's had a little bit more than that. Okay. He said he's going to be fine on the plane. I've already warned him. He'd act stupid now, or before, once he gets on the plane, you guys are going to kick him off. Right. He's claiming he's going to be calm, but I don't know what you guys want to do.
Yeah, which one is it? Okay. As soon as he gets off the phone, I'll go have a conversation.
What's that?
I'll have a conversation with him as soon as he gets off the phone. Because we can't let him on the plane if he's intoxicated, then it's our problem.
He's super happy right now.
Yeah.
Telling everybody to smile.
So they say go out while on the plane and he snaps.
Yeah. And that's what we have to watch. Yeah, no, you cancel your reservation and write to AA.com and ask for a refund. We cannot legally let you on the plane intoxicated. I think it's federal regulations.
How many air pilots have driven drunk? Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
A lot.
That's not what we're talking about.
I'm not here to get angry and upset. and
Yeah,
stuff,
we're talking
okay?
about you right now.
That's not about me. What I'm about is a smile, and that's it. I've been trying to get on American Airlines for 3
Well,
days.
you're not going to get on American Airlines.
Okay, all right, fine. Then I have to make a call.
Okay. You do what you gotta
And
do.
I knew you were going to kick me out of the airport because it's all sharing smiles.
Hey, John.
When you share
John.
a smile,
John.
it never
Hey.
stops.
Hey.
I don't want to go to jail. I'm out of here.
Hey.
Okay, so
Calm
I'm
down.
getting my bags.
Calm down.
I want my checked-in luggage, and I'm out of here. I'll be coming back tomorrow.
No, you won't.
Trespass him. Nate, trespass him. He's not coming back to this
No,
airport.
don't trespass.
You're being trespassed. You're not coming back.
I'm leaving. Because you all ain't smiling.
You know what? Hook him. The hell with it. Hook him. That's on me. Now you can go to jail.
Welcome to the Sarasota Drayton
I'm not getting
International
shit.
Airport. Please do not stop.
Forget that. Cut his wrist.
Don't worry. It'll cost you everything.
No, you're not. Come here. Come here.
Don't put your hands on me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop
What I'm
resisting.
doing
You're
is
about to
sharing
get face painted
smiles.
if you don't stop.
This is ridiculous. Don't want you need me?
Stop
What the
resisting.
fuck?
Stop resisting.
For sharing a smile. You know, what are you gonna do? Keep smiling. Relax.
You better stop. You better
You
stop.
all relax. Okay? So I can walk comfortably?
You got another charge you for resistance.
Yeah. Cross cases. I'm not resisting. That's why I'm in handcuffs. What's your chest code? Got the left, that's what's cool.
Have a seat.
Hello?
Have a seat. He was about to go to the floor too, and I was like,
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.